so awesome right now. Galloping horses, man.
That's scary.
It's like not normal thunder. I don't care what anyone says.
I keep seeing things.
I feel like maybe I'm going crazy or I'm like in a fucking Twilight Zone. Today has been the weirdest fucking day.
I know. I prayed for you. I do. Could it be the horse apocalypse?
I'm the wrong person to ask. I have no clue what it is. Just recording it because it sounds cool as shit. And now it's like totally not raining at all.
Smoking next. Did you see that? That was freaking purple. That was freaking purple. Right there. It was freaking purple lightning.
Don't say that word.